everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vera. In this video, I will show you how to add RAM extend or virtual RAM on your Vivo Y19s. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. First thing first, open your settings menu and then go to, and you can scroll down and you open RAM and storage space. Click it. Next you click RAM, and now you can see extended RAM. The RAM can be dynamically extended by up to 4 GB. Some storage space will be taken up. Next we click enable like this. When enabled, system operations will be smoother. This requires restarting the phone. Click restart now. Okay, wait a minute. Your phone already turned on. Yep, my phone is turned on, and I will check on my RAM. Open the settings menu. Next, open RAM and storage space. And successfully you can see my RAM is 4 GB plus 4 GB extended RAM. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.